shine so bright, not alone were hearts to be, but joined in sacred unity, two made one by God's own hand, a gift of grace, a holy plan. One in the Lord, one in His love, sealed by His grace from heaven above. Through joy and trial, come what may, His faithful light will guide the way. Freely spoken vows are made, promises that will not fade. In every season, strong and true, I give my life, my heart to you. Not just words, but lives entwined, a sacred bond by God designed. Circles shining without end, signs of love that will not bend. Through passing years, through changing days, they speak of trust in countless ways. A silent vow, forever new, I belong in love to you. Love is tested, love made pure, through sacrifice it shall endure. For Christ Himself walks at their side, in every tear, in every stride. Where burdens come and trials press, His grace becomes their strength and rest. Not by human strength alone, but by the help of God's own throne. He heals, He lifts, He makes love grow. He plants His peace where hearts may go. Each day becomes a path to rise toward heaven's joy before their eyes. A home of faith, a school of care, God's living presence dwelling there.